In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Facebook Lite app on your phone step by step. If your phone has limited storage or slow internet, Facebook Lite is a great option because it uses less data and works smoothly on most Android devices. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook Lite and tap Search. Look for the official app published by Meta Platforms. Once you find Facebook Lite, tap the Install button. Wait a few seconds for the app to download and install on your device. The download size is very small, which is why it's perfect for phones with limited storage. After the installation is complete, tap Open. Now simply log in with your Facebook email or phone number and password. Once you sign in, you can start using Facebook Lite to check your feed, send messages, post updates, and interact with friends while using less data and storage. Facebook Lite is designed to work well on slower networks and older Android devices, making it a popular alternative to the full Facebook app. And that's it. That's how you download and install the Facebook Lite app on your phone in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy app tutorials and tech tips.